Larsa Pippen took to Instagram to defend herself on December 17 after she was accused of shading her former BFF, Kim Kardashian, on the season 4 premiere of RHOM. Larsa Pippen insists there's no bad blood between her and her former bestie, Kim Kardashian. The Real Housewives of Miami star, 47, commented on a Page 6 Instagram post on December 17 about a shady comment she allegedly made about the Skims founder, 41. "All love no shade," she wrote, alongside a heart emoji, after it appeared as though she did shade Kim on RHOM. "People thought I wouldn't make it without Scottie, Pippen," Larsa said during a private confessional on the season premiere that dropped on Peacock on December 16. Larsa was referencing her NBA star ex-husband, before adding, "People thought I couldn't make it without some old friends." And it was during that very moment that a photo of herself and Kardashian flashed on screen. "I'm great. I just basically want to, live my best life, have fun, do whatever I want unapologetically," she added. Larsa didn't say much more about her friendship with Kim in the first 2 episodes of season 4, but as fans know, her relationship with Kim deteriorated in 2020. And while Larsa appeared on Hollywood Raw podcast in November 2020, she insinuated that Kim's soon-to-be ex-husband Kanye West contributed to the end of their friendship. She accused the rapper, 44, of brainwashing Kim. "I just feel like Kanye was in a place where he really didn't trust anyone with Kim," she said at the time. Related gallery. Kim Kardashian's sexiest new single looks after Kanye was split. Not much more is known about their friendship fallout, but we have a feeling more will be revealed as the season plays out. Especially because in the dramatic trailer, Kim was brought up at a dinner party, when Adriana Demora, 56, said that Larsa will never be like the Skims billionaire. "You left this group of women, come back with a butt as big as Kim Kardashian's, trying to become the new Kim Kardashian, which you're never going to be," she said. Yikes. Want more? New episodes of RHOM debut on Peacock every Thursday.